Welcome back students of 7th class. This is maths lecture friend. In this video lecture we will solve a couple of questions of test paper 12. This is last session of chapter 12 simple interest. So let's get started. As you can see on the board friends, B group question 7 number says at S simple interest a sum becomes 49 by 40 of itself in 2.5 years. The rate of interest per annum is what? It has 4 options friend, A, B, C and D. First find, then check the option which is correct. Now see the first let P friends, suppose X is equal to R rupees. Say okay. Now the amount becomes, the sum becomes means this is A is equal to 49 by 40 divided by X. That means 49 X by 40 rupees. Now the time is given friends, 2.5 means this is 5 by 2 years. Okay, and rate of interest R is equal to what? Now from formula friends, first find the SI. SI is equal to A minus P. So A is 49x by 40, P is X. This is 49x minus 40x divided by 40 friends, SI. Now SI becomes, this is 9x by 40 rupees. This is the first thing that we need. Now from formula once again, SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Now here friends, SI is given 9x by 40. Now P is X, R we have to find, T is 5 by 2. Now this is 100. Here friends, x1 will get cancelled. This is 10 will get cancelled. 5 1 5 friends, 5 2. Now this is, and here now this is 9 by 4 friends is equal to, this is X divided by, this is 2 into 2. So 2 will get cancelled one time. So X is equal to friends 9%. So R is equal to friends, here R, because R will get cancelled by X will get cancelled one time. So here is R is equal to 9%. Now check friends, this is C is your correct option. Now see friends, question number 10 says the SI, the simple interest on a sum for 5 years is 3 by 5 of the sum. The rate percent per annum is what? Now see friends, first consider principal. Let principal is equal to R rupees. That means the sum and principal. And now SI is, say SI on the 5 years, and the time is given. First time is given friends, time is 5 years given. Now SI on the sum X is SI friends 3 by 5 of sum. Of means multiply, sum means X, 3x divided by 5. So this is the SI. Now we have to find the rate percent R. R is equal to what? From formula SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. S is equal to 3x by 5 is equal to Px into R as it is, and the time is given 5. So divided by 100. Now friends, this is 5, 20 times will get cancelled. 5 1 and 5 4. So here x will get cancelled. After cross multiplication, R is equal to 4 3 friends, 12%. So this is your final answer. Now match option number, correct option is 12%. This is once again C is the correct option. Now move the next. Now see friends, question number 11, the SI at X% per annum for X years will be rupees X on the sum. Means we have to find the sum friends. Now the sum is friends P is equal to, suppose friends, Y, that we have to find. P is fine, okay, remember. Now the next thing is SI at X% per annum. R is given friends, X%. For X years, time is given friends, X years will be rupees X. So A is given, remember, will be rupees. That means SI at X% per annum for X rupees will be for X years. Once again, the SI at simple interest at X% per annum for X year will be, that means here the SI is given. SI is given X rupees friends. So please try to understand the questions friends first, then we will approach the concept. What about the sum? The sum is, we have to write now from formula SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100 friends. So SI is equal to X, P is equal to Y that we have to find, or either we can write P as it is, R is equal to X percent, time is X percent, and this is 100. Now friends, this could be written as, so this 1x here, the x will get cancelled, so here the one time we cancel, so 1 so cross multiply px into x, p into x friends, and this is 100. So we have to find the p. So p is equal to 100 divided by x, 100 divided by x, so 100 divided, this is D friends, this is the correct option. At what rate percent per annum simple interest will, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट क्या होता है, विल सम क्या हो जाता है, डबल इट सेल्फ. सो नाउ फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट मान p इज इक्वल टू सम इज इक्वल टू x रुपीज़. नाउ a इज इक्वल टू सम इज डबल, 2 into x is equal to 2x, and now the time is given 10 years. Okay, and we have to find the r is equal to what. So first friends, SI, find SI. SI means a minus p. A is given 2x, p is x friends. This is only x rupees. So xi, one point is here found. Find. Now from formula SI is equal to friends p into r into t by 100. So SI x is given, p is x given, r find friends, this is 10 and divided by 100. So 1010 will get cancelled, x 1 x. So r is equal to, after cross multiplication, 10% is, this is the answer friends. Now your correct option is B. B is equal to correct option friends. So friends, similarly we can find the question number 13, group C, fill in the blanks. This is formula based friends, first, second, third. Okay, now friends, question number 14 is says true or false. First solve, then check is it true or false. Here question 14 says the simple interest on rupees 1000 at 5% per annum for 73 days is 10 rupees है, yes या no, find करना. That means now simple interest find करना friends. SI that we have to find what, the given points is P is given friends 1000 rupees, and now R is given friends 5%, and the time T is given friends days 73, divide by 12 becomes the years friends. Now from formula SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. P is the value friends, 1000, multiply by R 5 and 73 by 12, this is air time, and now 100 friends, 20 will get cancelled friends, 20 will get cancelled. Now friends, what becomes 10 multiply by 73 divided by, this is 12 friends, this is 10 multiply by 70, and this is here 5 friends, this is 5, this is 12, 5. Now 2 5 2 6 friends, and 2 5 ja will get cancelled. Now 25 multiply by 73 divided by 6, so this is not is equal to friends 10 rupees. So this is wrong friends, false. So the question number 4, sub question 4 is false. Now please your homework, note it down friends. Your homework is equal to question number 7 to 14 to solve each and every question friends. If you have any doubt, confusion, ask me, comment in the comment box below. Have a nice day.